Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And because the crypto markets are open 24/7, it allows me as a presenter to put out a video that's going to remain relevant for as long as possible. So on that note, for those of you that watched the video from yesterday, you knew that the big thing kind of going into the weekend had everything to do with this purple line right here, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. And namely, hey, you just want to see the price stay above that purple line. Could the price stay above the purple line, going into the weekend? And not only did the price stay above the purple line, but the price actually continued to separate up from it. And that in of itself is a great sign of strength. Now, granted, yeah, within, the weekend, the price made an explosive move and then did pull back here. But again, you got to keep things in mind from a big picture perspective. And this is where it gets a little tricky from a presentation perspective because, yeah, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within, an hour after buying, then, yeah, for you, the chart looks a little rough. But from the big picture perspective, I realize there was a pullback from that area. But again, big picture, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And that's, how long-term uptrends are constructed. You need those higher bases. And I'm definitely making these comments geared more towards those of you that care about a broader time frame of things. Now, the resistance that was going into the weekend was $1 that's been broken and closed above. So what I want to do is really kind of just apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, and I don't want to have lines all over the place. So going forward, just continue to watch that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. And the easy way to look at this going forward is as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control of the current move. And again, how am I defining quote unquote the move? Well, right here from where the price has bottomed out and continues to work its way upward. So to gauge the quote unquote health of that move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above it, bulls are in full control. Again, in the spirit of just the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid. Going forward, the next key area of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that famous 200-period moving average, which on my chart is being denoted there by that pink line. So one step at a time, and in my opinion, steps are just building those higher lows. But as far as resistances are concerned, keep an eye on that one. That'll be the next big kind of public enemy from the big picture perspective. But all in all, a very nice weekend, and as long as the price continues to build those higher lows, or in other words, stay above that purple line, then yeah, the bulls are not only gaining control, but they're getting that much more control. So we'll see how this week unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.